In this video, you'll learn how to rotate a picture on your iPhone quickly and easily. You'll find out how to use the built-in editing tools in the Photos app to adjust your images however you need. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and then tap and select a picture that you want to rotate. And then tap Edit at the top right. After that, tap on this icon at the bottom right. So now, in order to rotate your picture, simply tap on this exact icon at the top right. As you can see, I rotated my picture 90 degrees counterclockwise, so you can tap on that icon to rotate your picture however you like. To save the changes you've made to the picture, simply tap Done at the bottom right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.